Hi, so in this video we're going to see if we can use this FY6900 signal generator to control my radio control car. The car's radio control frequency is 27 megahertz, so we're going to set that up on the signal generator first. Channel 1, frequency, and then what we're going to do is we're going to hook up the oscilloscope to connect to the signal generator output so we can see what's going on. So I have done that now, and we've got something coming up on the scope, and I am doing 26 kilohertz, so we've done the wrong number of places here. Let's have another look. Now it says we're doing 27 megahertz. The car's actually meant to be at 0.95, so let's do that. .95 megahertz. Yep. Okay, and we're going to use this piece of wire here as a bit of an aerial, so I'm going to attach that to the signal gen output as well. And what we need to do is we need to not just send a blanket signal like this, but we need to pulse it. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up our signal gen channel 2, and we'll set the frequency of that to 1 kilohertz, and then we're going to modulate the signal as an AM modulation based on the input from channel 2. Let's see if that... Okay, we've got something going on here, but actually what I want channel 2 to be is a square wave. And then go back to modulate. Okay, now we're getting bursts of on and off. Let's see if that is gonna... Okay, we've got the car driving forward. I'll turn off the modulation. Yep, so that works. And then if we change the frequency of channel 2 and we make it go down a bit, maybe we do like, say, 600 hertz, I think. Make sure it's on. Still going forward, okay. Let's try 400. See if that... Okay, now we're going backwards. Okay, so forward and backwards is just defined by how big the pulse width of on and off is of the 27 megahertz. What we can also do is do the steering, and that's controlled by the duty cycle of the pulses. So if I change my channel 2 settings, and I make sure I'm going to have to switch from square wave to rectangle, so it lets me adjust the duty cycle. And then if I change this duty cycle here up to, say, 75%. And what that will mean if we look at it on the scope, what's going on? Mod, yeah. Make sure channel 2 is on and then modulate it. You can see kind of the pulses are fairly wide with a small gap after each one, and that's getting what looks like a right turn here. And if I flip that duty cycle around, so let me just adjust that, and I'm going to take this down to 25%. Turn on the modulation again. Now you can see the pulses are short and the gap is bigger, and now the wheels are turning to the left instead. I have a whole video series where we actually build up a transmitter for that radio controller using these sort of principles. It's in the playlists on the channel. If you want to take that a look at that, feel free to. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.